So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at Lexis and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you a recent news which has come in the whether it's on social media or on other every single news platforms. The news is and very controversial also because the opposition leader, as we in our last video we have discussed that Gujarat High Court has sentenced 2 year 2 year imprisonment to opposition leader Rahul Gandhi. But today something very interesting has happened, or not good for the opposition party, which is Congress. What happened is, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is now no longer an MP and has been disqualified from the Lok Sabha. Why so? Lok Sabha or the Sabha, a day after he was convicted in a defamation case by a Surat court, a notice issued by the Lok Sabha Secretariat said he stood disqualified from the House from March 23rd. Right, the day of his conviction, Rahul Gandhi has now moved a higher court and get his conviction stayed. Right, the disqualification. So basically, the disqualification is in terms of Article 110. Clause 1, subclause E of Constitution of India, read with section 8 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. The 1951 Act provides that a person will be disqualified if convicted and sentenced to imprisonment for 2 years or more, and shall continue to be disqualified for a further period of 6 years after his release. Right. So this is a really important thing to understand for you. And Congress has called it, conspiracy to silence the, Wayanad MP who has been questioning, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi's alleged relationship with billionaire industrialist Gautam Adani, right? Whose business empire has come under security after allegations of stock manipulation and fraud, and demanding a joint parliamentary committee (JPC) probe into the issue. Right. Shortly after the former Congress leader, Congress President Rahul Gandhi was disqualified from Lok Sabha on Friday, his sister and party leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra questioned the Bharatiya Janata Party, or the BJP, is the ruling party or the central government, for allegedly rescuing who looted the country's money, naming Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, and Mehul Choksi. So a court in Gujarat yesterday sentenced Rahul Gandhi to 2 years in the jail in the case filed on a complaint by the BJP MLA Purnesh Modi for his alleged remark, how come all thieves or the thieves have Modi as their common surname. So which is this is such a controversial statement given by the opposition leader Rahul Gandhi. On the basis of his statement, Surat court convicted him for 2 years in jail, and because of that, basically the Parliament of India or Lok Sabha has disqualified him as a member of Parliament. So that's what happened in this case. I hope you understood. If you want me to make any other video related to any other topic, if you want me to cover this topic in more detail, do comment, do share this video, and do hit like that button. And one more thing, if you are new on this channel, do hit like that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.